Welcome to the 5th tutorial of programming in XML/Java within Android Studio. In this tutorial, it's all about how to insert a background into your splash activity and into your main activity. Without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go to the folder where it says layout and then activity splash. Okay, so we are here, so we can go to design and see what's happening there. Then we can just insert a background, so we just go here, click on this little thing, but before we even do that, we have to put the background into the folder. So if I was to go into the directory where the project is, so you go to your users, then your home directory, the directory which your project is stored in, and the name of your directory, then you go to app. After app, you go to src, then you go to the main, you go to res, then you go to drawable, and then all the images will be stored in here. So at the minute we will put in 2 images, so jump this image and the background image. We will be using this image as a moving background in the near future in a few tutorials time. So for the time being, we are using these just as background. So if I just copy them, Command C, paste it into the drawable folder, so they are now in there. If I go back to Android Studio, okay, so they're in the folder. If we just click this, you can see back and jump are in there. We'll just get rid of this, so get out of this, go back to activity splash. Now we can go back to background wherever it was, so there it is. Go to here, click that. Now go to project, go all the way to, it should be in the drawable folder, but if I just search for back, there it is. We're searching for jump first because this is the splash activity. So if I just press this, okay, there you go. That's the first one done. And now it's our time to see what happens when we click on the text. Okay, so this was edited. This is now something you're seeing for the first time. It wasn't there beforehand. If I now go back to the main activity, we will do the same thing for this as we did for the splash activity. So okay, so now go back to background, click this, go to project, type in back, it's in the drawable folder somewhere, there it is. Okay, so press OK, and there you go. So the backgrounds have been inserted. If you go back to text right at the top, you didn't see that beforehand, and now it's already there. And now our job is to just run this from our mobile phone. So okay, I'll just go to game activity, press OK, Android monitor. Okay, if I just go get out of this, go to apps and go to splash activity, exit. Now press splash activity. Okay, start, press start. We can start the game. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.